Sauteed Sardines with Cabbage by French Cheap Menu. Ingredients: cabbage, sardines, sugar, tomatoes, onion, salt, ground pepper, broth cubes, cooking oil, water, and soy sauce. First, put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil into a pot. Saute 1 piece of onion, 2 pieces of tomatoes, and add 1 can of sardines. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 cup of water, broth cubes, chicken flavor, and stir it until it melts. Season it with ground pepper, a pinch of salt, and sugar. Add 336 grams of cabbage and mix thoroughly. Add another 1/2 cup of water. And cover it until the cabbage are cooked. Serve hot and enjoy! Thank you for watching!